Anderson, the Spider Silva! Contender in the world, Israel, the last title bender, Adesanya!
Against the future UFC Hall of Famer Anderson Silva, I think Adesanya pleasantly surprised that Silva is still fighting as Adesanya enters his fighting prime.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. My heart rages around like an ocean in my head.
Those punches are landing when he switches stance. He's coming with the straight punches.
Ooh, couple late left hands, and Silva just able to duck under that left kick. 5 minutes down.
In the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams. I'll find you in I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality.
He's been eating some left hands from the southpaw Adesanya, but right now Adesanya's cool with just faking. Say, come on, I'm right here. Anderson saying, come on, I'm right here. Come get me.
There are so many things